Many students, including me when I was in college, aspire to earn a 4.0 grade point average in college. Regardless of whether you aspire to earn a 4.0 grade point average in college, it is important to know that the most impactful quarter or semester to earn high grades is your very first quarter or semester of college. That is because your first quarter or semester grades count 100% toward your cumulative grade point average, because they are the only grades being calculated into your cumulative grade point average. Each successive quarter or semester counts a decreasing percentage toward your cumulative grade point average. Your second quarter or semester counts only 50%. Your third quarter or semester counts only 33%. Your fourth quarter or semester counts only 25%, because with each successive quarter or semester you earn grades, that quarter or semester represents a decreasing fraction of all the quarters or semesters being calculated into your cumulative grade point average. The higher the number of quarters or semesters being calculated into your cumulative grade point average, the less an individual quarter or semester will impact the cumulative grade point average. So it is much easier to begin with a high grade point average and maintain it over several quarters or semesters than it is to begin with a low grade point average and try to increase it over several quarters or semesters. Regardless of the quarter or semester, it will be important for you to closely monitor your grades in your classes in the event that a grading error occurs. If you do detect a grading error, or even if you have a question about your grade, do not be afraid to ask your professor, regardless of whether you detect the error during the quarter or semester or once final grades have been posted. If you are able to make your case that an error occurred, professors are willing and able to change grades. Because I closely monitored my grades as a college student, and because I was not afraid to approach my professors, I was able to change 4 A- grades to A grades and 1 A- grade to an A+ grade during my 4 years of college. Each of the changes occurred after final grades were posted for the quarter. Most colleges award academic honors to deserving students based on grade point average. If you are interested in earning academic honors, you can ask your academic advisor what the minimum grade point average is for the various academic honors. At graduation, many colleges award Latin honors based on grade point average at graduation. The Latin honors are summa cum laude, with highest honors, magna cum laude, with high honors, and cum laude, with honors. If you are interested in earning Latin honors, you can ask your academic advisor about the grade point average required for each level of Latin honors. Between academic honors each quarter or semester and Latin honors at graduation, there are several other types of honors that you may want to explore or pursue. There are departmental honors, college honors, and honors programs. If you are interested in learning about and/or pursuing any of the honors that exist at your college, be sure to explore your college's catalog and to ask your academic advisor for information and details.